Hello everybody and welcome back to another Valdez Venture. Today we're actually going to just clean my truck. It's been a while and the season's starting to change, so it's going to end up getting too cold. And during the summer it's difficult too because it's too hot. So it's a beautiful day today, so we're going to try and get that done. Today's joke: what do Thanksgiving and Halloween have in common?
Those medical pills are push me over. I kill my fill 3 times a day. These ethanol fumes won't make me sober. One flame to take the pain away. I caught you lighting matches in the back room. Haters look mad when they pass you. Let's talk about round when it's past 2. Raise a glass to know you don't gotta fight alone. You don't gotta fight alone. Don't be so personal. Take me out of the
Alright everybody, so that's it for this week's video. So what does Thanksgiving and Halloween have in common? Goblins. Alright, so that's gonna be it. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a little different. It was really messy, but again, it's been a while, but I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope y'all join us next week. for another Valdez venture, and I hope y'all have a blessed day.
Mars.